ready to transform your online presence into a steady income stream. Today, we're diving deep into the powerful Fiverr affiliate program, your ticket to earning commissions by simply sharing the incredible freelance services available on Fiverr with your audience. Let's get started on making money with Fiverr. First things first, you need to join the Fiverr affiliate program. Head over to Fiverr.com and scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll find a link labeled Fiverr Affiliates. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the sign up page. It's a straightforward process that involves providing some basic information about yourself and your platforms. Once you're approved, your affiliate dashboard becomes your command center. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of promotional tools. This includes unique referral links, banners, and even gig-specific links. The key is to grab links that are most relevant to your niche and your audience's needs. If you focus on graphic design, get links for logo designers or illustration gigs. Now, how do you effectively promote? Authenticity is paramount. Share your own positive experiences with Fiverr services. If you've used them, create engaging content that highlights specific gigs or categories. Consider making review videos, blog posts that list top Fiverr designers for a certain task, or even social media posts showcasing impressive Fiverr creations. Remember to always disclose that it's an affiliate link. To maximize your income, think strategically. Target audiences who are actively looking for freelance services. If you have a business-focused content channel, promote Fiverr for marketing, web development, or virtual assistant services. If you're in the creative space, showcase graphic design, video editing, or voiceover gigs. The more targeted your promotion, the higher your conversion rates will be, leading to more commissions. Fiverr offers a generous commission structure, and by consistently providing value and recommending relevant services, you can build a substantial affiliate income. Don't just drop links. Provide context and solutions. Help your audience understand why a particular Fiverr service is a great investment for them. Monetize your influence today and start earning with the Fiverr affiliate program. End screen with a clear call to action. Sign up for Fiverr affiliates today, and links to Fiverr.com. Upbeat music fades.